Well, here I've got to simplify this. I've got a cubed times by b times by a squared times b cubed. Well, let's do the a's first. So it's a cubed times a squared. There's 3 of them all times together here, times by 2 more. That'll be a to the power of 5. And I've got 1b times by 3 more b's. That'll be b to the power of 4. This one I've got x squared and a 36, so I'm going to factorise this. And nothing goes into both of those, so it's going to be a double bracket. So I'm going to have x and x. I need to get 36, so it needs to be 1 and 36, or 2 and 18, because this is the number times by the number, or 3 and 12, or 4 and 9, or 6 and 6. And I've got to get no x's, so they're going to both have to be the same. And it's minus 36, so one of these is going to have to be plus, and one's going to be minus. So it's going to be 6 and 6, and it's going to be plus 6 and a minus 6, and that's factorised. Factorise this one, same sort of process. I've got 3 terms. It's going to be my brackets x and x, because it's x squared. How do I get 15? Well, it's a number times by the number, so that can either be 1 and 15 or 3 and 5. It's minus 15, so one's going to be plus and one's going to be minus. And I want it to be minus 2, so pretty obvious it's going to be 3 and 5, and the minus will be the 5. So that'll be plus 3 and minus 5. And then this bit here is almost exactly the same, so I factorised it. So I can write, instead of writing it like this, I can write it in factorised form. And so that will give me x plus 3 times by x minus 5 equals 0. And if something times something equals 0, either the first one must be 0, so either x plus 3 must equal 0, or x minus 5 must equal 0. And then I just solve that equation. So here I'd take away 3 from both sides, and that would give me that x equals minus 3. And on this one here, I'd have to add 5 to both sides, and that would give me that x equals 5. So you've got x equals negative 3 or x equals 5, and both of them, that'll be true. And that's 15 done.